In this video, I will show you that how you can increase the RPM of your YouTube videos. But before, let me just quickly show you some of the RPM of my videos and to let you know that how the RPM changes with videos. So if you come over to my videos over here, you see that in the last 28 days, I got 3.7k views on this video. And with this, I only earned $2.59. And if we go to the revenue section over here, you see that the RPM, which is revenue for every 1000 views, is $0.73. That's too low. Now let me just quickly show you some other videos over here, and you see that in the last 28 days this video got only 123 views, and with 123 views I got $4.26. And here you can see that with 3.7k views I earned $2.59, and here with only 123 views I earned more than that. And if you check the RPM of this video, it is $37, and with only 114 views I was able to earn $4.26. Now let me just quickly show you another video, and then I will show you that how you can increase the RPM of your videos. So if we move on to this video, you see this video got 269 views in the last 28 days, and in those 269 views, gave me $4.33. And if we check out the RPM of this video, you see it is $16.85. Although this video and this video was made on the same topic, which is Wix.com, but still it's $37, and this one is $16.85. Now let's understand that how YouTube pays you. YouTube give you 55% of what they earn from the advertiser. So advertiser do bidding on your videos, and it depends on the topic of your videos, and it depends on the topic of your videos and from where you're getting your view. Let's say you are creating vlogs and your audience is mostly from tier 3 countries like Pakistan, India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Then your RPM will be too low. Sometimes it is as low as $0.1. That's too low, but you see, those audience are not for some high bidders, because these kind of audience don't actually spend their money online. So the bidders actually bid high on the videos or the audience that is from tier 1 country. So if you have a vlog channel and your audience is from US, UK, you maybe have a slight increase in your RPM, but your RPM would not be a crazy amount. Then how you can increase your RPM? So first of all, the RPM of videos that is most related to the money or the softwares that is paid or that are offering free trials. These kind of softwares or these kind of companies do high bidding. Like if you make a video on insurance, you make a video on some banks, you make a video on software that offers free trial, like the hostinger. If you are making a video on a hosting company like hostinger, they are gonna pay a lot more money on those 1000 views than if you are creating a vlog. So all you need is just to focus on videos that has something to link with money. So this way you can increase your RPM. Now let me just quickly show you from over here. If you see that this video is related to fixing some bugs in your PC, and you see the audience is mostly generic. There are no specific audience, so the bidders would not bid a high bid on these kind of videos. That's why my RPM on this video is $0.73, which is too less. But if you come over to this video is related to Wix, which is a website builder. And you see that along with Wix, I have also discussed an email software which is related to collecting emails, which was basically Mailchimp. So there are two softwares that has free trials or that are paid, and they are most likely to spend more money on videos that are talking about themselves. So as you can see that this video is talking about two softwares, and those are the high premium softwares. So softwares or the websites, that's why the RPM is very high, which is $37.34. And over here, this one is only talking about Wix. So the RPM is only 16.85, which is quite good, but compared to the previous one, it is not that good. So I hope that you understand that how you can increase the RPM of your videos. The only in one line you can talk about money or the softwares or the companies that has something to do with money. So that's how you can increase your RP. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.